Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up the coordinate system within Trion, specifically for Northern Ireland. So first things first, just hit the projects tab, and then hit new, just create a new one. And then hit coordinate system. Now I have some added here, but you won't have them at the start, so hit predefined. Should automatically find where you are, but you may need to select the continent region. I'm just going to scroll down through all these different coordinate systems and hit TM75 and then OK. Just hit it again there to select and hit the black tick. Now you can edit the project name or anything else there you want, but I'm just going to save for the time being. Alrighty, now I'm going to show you how to add different models such as the plane grid model or a geoid model. So just go back into coordinate system. There's a bunch of different options down here, so if you're going for a plane grid, just hit it and then select the wee use slider. Now you just hit at file path, there's a yellow cloud. It should automatically detect and bring up the options, so I'll go for the TM75 there and hit download. Now that's downloaded, you just want to select it in file path again, just the drop down menu, TM75, and hit apply. I don't have any points, so it's just asking me if I want to update them, doesn't matter. Go into coordinate system, go down to geoid model, and it's the same again, hit use, and then the wee yellow cloud symbol should download from the system. And then UK Belfast, I'm going to go for it, and then hit download. Now that's downloaded, just hit the Belfast option. Make sure it's selected in the file path drop down menu. Then just hit apply. Once again, there's no points, so it doesn't matter what we hit there. But that's the coordinate system ready to go, guys. If you have any questions, just leave them below in the comments, and you can always go up into the top right there in the profile picture, and there's an online tutorial.